Hi! In front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Now just tap on Delete button next to the added one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!